Hello and good morning, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This morning, I am very proud and very excited to share with you this 1959 Ford Skyliner. Now, this car is a retractable, as everybody can see. Now, this is a very special retractable here. This 59 Ford is one of the best ones in the country, in the world. Now, this car, I'm going to read you. I got a board here that tells all about this car, so I'm going to read this to you. Excuse me, pardon me. Fully restored and documented two-owner car with the same owner from the fall of 1959 until 2003 with a complete award-winning restoration in 2001. This car has received the Silver Award in 2001, the Gold Award in 2002, and by invitation only, the Showcase Award in 2003 by the International Fixed Roof Club of America. The car has been in numerous club magazine articles and has been nicknamed the Cream Puff. Complete ownership history and all the original documentation including the bill of sale, documentation, the following rare options: original 352 300 horsepower engine with Cruise-o-Matic transmission, white sidewall tires, heater, radio, tinted glass, electric wipers, power brakes, windshield washer, and two-tone blue and white paint. The paint and bright work on this car are perfect. How many of these early built Skyliners are left with all the original paperwork and in judged condition? You can buy this car knowing you are buying one of the finest documented restored Skyliners in the world. So we'll just start off with that, and I'm going to take you around and I'm going to show you this gorgeous car. Now, I've owned a lot of these cars, but I have never owned one that has been this quality and this type of restoration. I took one look at this car and I said, this car is going home with us, because this thing is absolutely gorgeous front to back. And like that board said, there's tons of documentation with this car. There's a whole big cardboard box full of paperwork, binders, folders, receipts, invoices. The Showcase Awards are in there. Just a great car. There's the IFRC Showcase Award right there on the grill. Man, it's just a beautiful, gorgeous car. Look at the body lines on this car. Look at the door gaps on this car. The glass is perfect. The stainless is perfect. The bright work's perfect. I hate to use that word, everybody, but you look at this thing and you tell me this car is an absolute showpiece. You can look down the sides of this car. I found one imperfection in this whole car. Has one tiny little chip over on the fender, and I couldn't even remember that when I looked at this car the first time. So maybe, you know, it might have happened driving down the road maybe. But man, what a gorgeous automobile. I'm going to show you that little small tiny imperfection in this car. None of these cars, no car ever. It doesn't matter if you're buying a $500 car or a $500,000 car. None of them are perfect. Here is the only thing though I see on this whole car. That tiny little chip right there. So if that's the only thing I see wrong with this car, that's pretty darn good. There is that beautiful interior, that blue and white. It's two-tone blue with white stripes and that interior, and man, is it gorgeous. Very pretty car. There's your jams. you can just see how great of a restoration this is. People watch my videos all the time and they compliment me on how good a job I do on my videos, and I really appreciate that. What I try to do is I try to be as honest and upfront on everything as I possibly can, because a lot of our cars, they get shipped all over the country and all over the world, and people never come here to look at these cars. So we are very, very proud of what we do here, and I'm very proud to be able to present these cars to you and do it with honesty and integrity. That way, when you get this car, when I ship this car to Germany or Sweden, which a lot of these cars go overseas, when they get this car, they're going to get it out of the container and they're going to say, holy cow, this thing's gorgeous, and it's just like Adam said it was going to be, or better. So that's what we do here. We just try to be honest and upfront with you and show you everything we know about these cars. And this one is a great one. Your jambs, your sill plates, your carpeting, everything on this car is just absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to put the top down here for you in a second. And I haven't had the top down on this car yet, so we will see. The gentleman we got the car from said the top worked perfect, so we will see just how perfect it works. Thought I'd pop that hood. There we go. There we go. There is that engine compartment too. And just like the rest of the car, highly detailed. The car's probably better than it was new when it rolled off the assembly line. Walk around and show you the other side. I'll start it up for you here in a second. My theory is, if you're going to have a good one, you might as well have the best one. This car, 56,000 original miles too. I don't think I mentioned that to you yet. And yes, that clock does work too. Tail lights work, left turn signals on, your license plate light works. Man, look how slick that paint is. There's your bright headlights, and there's your right turn signal. You can get as close as you want to this car. There's no bubbles or no blisters that I see down on the bottom of the car. What a gorgeous automobile. There's your right turn signal. Okay, here we're showing you the top operation on this car. Sorry, I already started the top operation, and Danny, I told him to come over here to help me do a video of it quick. And there you have it, folks. That is the top operation of this wonderful 1959 Ford Fairlane 500 Skyliner, and this car is 100% beautiful. beautiful automobile. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. Check us out on our website, www.kinyonauto.com. That's K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade collector cars, muscle cars, and regular vehicles every single day. Give us a call, and you could be the new proud owner of this beautiful 1959 retractable. Probably one of the best ones you're ever going to find in the country. This car is remarkable inside, outside, underneath. This car is a beautiful, beautiful car. I really appreciate everyone watching all of our videos. I hope everyone has a tremendous day and a great rest of your week. Until next time, again, this is Adam at Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. Thanks for watching our videos.